Hi. Now that we've reached a certain level of the English language understanding, with our tip by tip, we're moving forward and expanding our vocabulary. Always tip by tip.
English Tip by Tip, Technical English Basics. This new playlist will be dedicated to motorcycle mechanics workshops. We'll show some technical English basics, very much necessary. To reinforce your learning, you can find the printed books on Amazon. Book 1, Motorcycle Tools and Safety. Book 2, Motorcycle Basic Components. Book 3, Motorcycle Engines. As ever, we'll be available to answer any question. Just comment on your question in the video or short. We'll always answer. Ever moving forward, tip by tip. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.